Okay, we're gonna start by, we wanna turn the remote, make sure the remote is on, and then we'll set it out of the way. And then on your white box, you're gonna wanna take one of these covers off. It's actually the one that has the learning switch and the reset switch. And this is to be able to pair the remote. So we'll take this screw out. So in order to make the remote paired, we're gonna push the learning switch, and the light comes on. Now we're gonna hit a zone. We'll hit zone 1, and then we'll touch the color wheel. So now it flashes and indicates that it is paired. So now your remote is paired. And again, we're on zone 1. So when you're operating it, you want to be on the correct zone. A.001 tells me that this is set to control for zone 1. So if we hit zone 2 and try to control it, we get nothing. You have to make sure you hit zone 1, and then you're able to control it.